अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यूज़ को। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, एन एल्डरली मैन विद लॉन्ग सन एक्सपोजर, अ 50-year-old मैन प्रेजेंट्स टू योर ऑफिस विद मल्टीपल scaly lesions on his ears, face, forearm and hands. He states that he worked in construction most of his life and was exposed to the sun almost every day. He reports that he never used sunscreen and often did not wear shirts. He denied any previous history of skin cancer. He states that some of these lesions would come off by themselves but often would reoccur and persist. On examination, you might notice multiple small, slightly reddish scaly macules on the forehead, top of the ears, forearm, and back of the hands. On his right ear, you notice a small, thin, slightly reddish, slightly scaly nodule. The patient states that the lesion has been slowly growing during the past 2 years. The patient states that the lesion on the ear would occasionally become tender and would scab and re-scab. Select the best answer to the following questions. Number 1. What is the most likely cause of the lesions on the forehead, top of the ears, forearm and back of hand? हमारे पास ऑप्शंस में है पेपुलर एक्जिमा, सोराइसिस, एक्टिनिक केराटोसिस, न्यूमुलर एक्जिमा, नन ऑफ द अबव। इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है एक्टिनिक केराटोसिस। सेकेंड है, इफ़ लेफ्ट अनट्रीटेड, व्हाट माइट द लेजन्स ऑन द फोरहेड, टॉप ऑफ द ईयर्स, फोरआर्म एंड बैक ऑफ द हैंड्स बिकम? तो स्क्वेमस सेल कार्सिनोमा करेक्ट आंसर है। द स्मॉल स्केली नोड्यूल ऑन द राइट ईयर इज मोस्ट कंसिस्टेंट विथ व्हाट लेजन्स? इसमें आंसर है बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा। व्हाट इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ चॉइस फॉर द लेजन इन द राइट ईयर? ऑप्शन है वाइट एक्सिजन्स, माइक्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी, क्यूरेटाज, क्रायोथेरेपी एंड इमिकोमोड। करेक्ट आंसर है माइक्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी। Second MCQ है, an enlarging facial lesion. A 58-year-old woman presents to your office for general skin examination and skin cancer screening. Her skin examination was unremarkable except for a small whitish scar-like lesion on the left side of the forehead. On further inquiry, the patient admitted the lesion has been present for about 5 years, very slowly enlarging. She thought it was just scar tissue from working in the garden, although she recalls no specific trauma. On examination, you might notice a 1.5 cm ill-defined whitish thickened area of skin. Okay, what would be the differential diagnosis for this lesion on left side of the forehead? Options में है lichen sclerosis, basal cell carcinoma, scar tissue, एटिपिकल नॉन पिगमेंटेड मेलानोमा, लाइकन प्लानस। ठीक है, इसमें जी है ऑल ऑफ द अबव। डी में ये सारे ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे। हाउ वुड दिस लेजन बी मैनेज्ड? इसके ऑप्शंस में आ जाते हैं शेप बायोप्सी, माइक्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी, क्यूरेटाज, क्रायोथेरेपी, इमिकोमोड। तो आंसर बी ठीक है। Now third MCQ, white-light lesions under the breast. A 65-year-old woman presents to your office complaining of ugly brown wart-type lesion that are starting to develop on her chest and under her breast. She also reports similar lesions on her back. She states that her mother and father was covered with these lesions. She denied any family history of skin cancers, including melanomas. She admits to excessive sun exposure in her teenage years with several severe sunburns. She also admitted to use of tanning booths in winter months. On examination, you notice that she has red hairs, blue eyes and fairly tan skin. Examination of her chest, back and trunk reveals numerous solar lenticles and freckles with dozens of small brown warty lesions. On a close inspection, you see a large lentigo on her left upper breast with raised lesion on the edge of lentigo. The patient states that she has not paid attention to it because she thought it looked like rest of her brown spots. So what is the best approach to this lesion on her left upper breast? Options में है मेजरमेंट, ऑब्जर्व, रीचेक, पंच बायोप्सी, एक्सिजन बायोप्सी। करेक्ट हमारे पास करेक्ट आंसर है एक्सिजनल बायोप्सी। What would be your differential diagnosis for this lesion? Smooth seborrheic keratosis, blue nevus, lentigo melanoma, dysplastic nevus, all of the above except B. Without alarming the patient, how would you answer her question on her prognosis? Refer answering until the pathology report is obtained. Inform her that female patients and younger patients might have better prognosis. Inform her that melanomas on the extremities have worse prognosis than melanomas on the head. हमारे पास आंसर ठीक करेक्ट आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव एक्सेप्ट सी, ए और बी ठीक है. Now, fourth MCQ, lesions in the mouth. A 37-year-old man comes in your office for evaluation of whitish lesions inside the mouth and on the lower lip that occasionally would crust. He has seen several physicians and has been treated for thrush with antifungal mouthwash. He stated that initially the lesions would resolve, but then they started reoccurring more frequently and have persisted. He denies any history of smoking. He admits to spending a lot of time in the sun as he was growing up. After further inquiry about tobacco smoke, he did admit that he is addicted to chewing tobacco. He states that for more than 10 years, he has been using chewing tobacco every day, although almost throughout the working hours. Incidentally, the patient mentioned that he has similar whitish lesions in his groin area. The most likely diagnosis for the above lesion includes lichen sclerosis, leukoplakia, actinic chilidosis, all of the above. The correct answer है leukoplakia. If left untreated, what might the lesion degenerate? correct answer है squamous cell carcinoma. उम्मीद है ये लेक्चर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. थैंक यू सो मच.